Moving from tree to tree is a perilous business. Here, nearly all the plants are covered with ferocious spines. His mother searches the treetops for the youngest leaves. They provide the only food and water to sustain the family.
Anole lizards cling to high branches. Only the strongest survive.
If he can master the strange ways of this forest, he will have a little corner of Madagascar to himself.